Samantha, what are you doing? What is this? Is this your puzzle?
No.
What is it?
People.
Puzzle?
No.
Are those animals?
Fish.
Are those animals that you're playing with?
Yeah, apple.
Can you tell me the different animal names? Put the pieces back. And when you put it back, tell me the animal. What is that?
Fish.
Oh, okay. What's that one?
Fish.
What is that?
People.
Guinea pig.
Fish.
What's that one?
Fuck.
What is that?
Fuck.
Frog?
Fuck.
What's that one? Wait, you're going too fast. What's that animal?
Apple. Fish.
What? That's a kitty cat.
Chicken.
Yeah. What's that animal? What's bird? Yeah. What's that one? And what's that one?
Fish.
What is it?
Beside. Bully.
Oh.
Beach. Beep.